Good morning, students. How are you, students? I hope all are fine and safe. In the previous class, we have learned about vowels and consonants and symbols. Symbols का मतलब मात्राएं. Now I wish to recall it. This is A. A. E. E. U. U. Ear. A. I. O. Au. Aha. This is full stop. This is A. There is no symbol. A. A की मात्रा this. E. E की मात्रा this. E. E की मात्रा this. O. Short sound. O. O की मात्रा this. Ear. Ear की मात्रा this. A. A की मात्रा this symbol. I. I की मात्रा double slanting line. O. O की मात्रा this symbol. औ. औ की मात्रा this symbol. की मात्रा this dot. आगे की मात्रा this. This is stop. See, A, there is no symbol. A, this symbol. E की मात्रा E की मात्रा U की मात्रा U की मात्रा ear की मात्रा A की मात्रा I की मात्रा O की मात्रा औ की मात्रा की मात्रा आगे की मात्रा. Now let us read Ka. Ka means already we studied ik plus A, Ka. This is ik. This is ik. Ik plus A, Ka. Ik plus A, Ka. Ik plus A. We have to write Ka. A pronunciation, which symbol will come? This symbol. We have to add this symbol. This is Ka. Ik plus A, Ka. Ik plus A. Which symbol will come? This symbol. We have to add this symbol. Which pronunciation will come? Ka. Ik plus E. Ki. This symbol will come. Ki. Okay? Ik plus E. Key. Which symbol will come? this symbol. Ik plus U. Ku. U sound which matra will come? This matra. Ku. Ik plus U. Ku. Which symbol will come? U ki matra? This symbol. Ku. Ik plus here. Kar. Which symbol will come? This symbol. Kar. Ik plus A. K. Which symbol? A sound. A ki matra? This symbol. We have to add this symbol A. Ik plus I. Kai. Which matra will come? Kai. I. Ik plus O. Ko. Which symbol will come? We have to add this symbol. We have to pronounce ko. Ik plus au. Ik plus au. Cow. Which symbol will come? Au symbol. Au ki matra. Cow. Ik plus come. Ik plus aga. Kaha. Aga symbol aga ki matra? This one. We have to add this symbol kaha. Which pronunciation will come? Kaha. Shall we do once again? Ka, ka, ki, ku, kar. Ke, kai, ko, cow, kam, kaha. Okay? Did you understand? Ka, ki, ku, kar. Ke, kai, ko, cow, kam, kaha. Second line. Ka. Ka. This one. Ka. We have to add this symbol. This pronunciation ik. This pronunciation ik. This one. Ka. Ka. Ik plus a. Ka. Then ik plus a. Which symbol which will come? This symbol will come. Ka. 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 Ik plus e. We have to add this e ki matra. Ki. Ik plus e. Ki. Ik plus u. Which symbol will come? We have to add this symbol. Ku. Ik plus u. Ku. Ik plus er. Kar. Ik plus ye. Ke. Ik plus I. Kai. Ik plus o. kho. Ik plus au, cow. Ik plus come. Ik plus aha, kaha. Okay, did you understand? Kaka, kiki, cuckoo, ke, kai, ko, cow, come, kaha. Next, egg. This one, ga. We have to add this symbol. Egg. Egg plus a. Egg plus a. Ga. We have to add one more line. We have to say ga. First we have to write ga. We have to add e ki matra symbol. Gi. First we have to write ga. E ki matra symbol. We have to add gi. Pronunciation will come. This is ga. We have to add u. U ki matra symbol. Now we have to pronounce u. Gu. Gu. Egg plus u. Gu. Egg plus yer. Gr. Egg plus a. Gay. Egg plus I. Guy. Egg plus o. Go. Egg plus au. Go. Egg plus gum. Egg plus aga, gaha. Shall we do once again? Ga, ga. Gi, gi. Gu, gu. Gr, ge, gai, go, gau. Gum, gaha. Shall we do once again? Ga, ga. Gi, gi. Gu, gu. Gr, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha. Next line. Ga. Ga. This is ga. We have to add this symbol. We have to pronounce as ig. Ig plus a. Ga. Ga. Ig plus e. Gi. Ig plus e. Gi. Ig plus u. Gu. Ig plus u. Gu. Ig plus ir. Gr. Ig plus a. Ge. Ig plus I. Guy. Ig plus o. Go. Ig plus au. Go. Ig plus gum. Ig plus aga. Gah. Full stop. Shall we do once again? Ka, ka, ki, ku, ku, kar, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kah. Second line. Ka, ka, ki, ku, ku, kar, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kah. Third line. Ga, 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 gi, gu, gar, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gah. Fourth line. Ga, ga, gi, gu, gar, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gah. Thank you, students.